Class 9th students, it is the next video from chapter tissue. Topic is epithelial tissue. It is one kind of animal tissue which is the thin protective layer of cells which covers surface of the body. It also line body cavity and hollow organs. Cells of these tissues are tightly packed. Now different kinds of epithelial tissue, which are the squamous epithelial, cuboidal epithelial, columnar epithelial, ciliated epithelial. At first, about the presence of these all kinds of tissue. Squamous epithelium present in skin, tongue, oral cavity, esophagus, blood vessels, and alveoli. Whereas cuboidal epithelial found in kidney tubules, salivary glands, also in most of the organs. Columnar epithelial is present in inner lining of alimentary canal, which are the small intestine and large intestine. Ciliated epithelial present in respiratory tract. The various parts of this tract are the nasal cavity, trachea, etc. Now the arrangement of cells in all kind of this tissue. Cells in squamous are closely fit. It is either in single layer or many layers. Whereas cells of cuboidal epithelial are cube-shaped cells which are also tightly packed. Free surface appears like hexagon and the cells look like squares. The columnar epithelial composed of a single layer of column-like or pillar-like cells. Nucleus of these cells are at the base. It is the main feature, unique feature in the cells of columnar epithelial. Ciliated epithelial has cilia. The cells are also tightly packed. Sometimes it possesses cilia, which is called the ciliated epithelial. Now the functions of these all kinds of tissue. In a skin, epithelial tissue is present in many layers, which is called the stratified squamous epithelial. This is involved in providing protection, and other functions of this tissue are transport of substances. It is for diffusion in blood vessels and alveoli. Stratified squamous produce a special substance which is called keratin, which help in making the parts waterproof. Now function of cuboidal epithelial. Cuboidal epithelial secretion and absorptions of substances. These are involved in secretion and absorption of substances. It is also involved in providing support. Cuboidal epithelial sometimes folded inward to form glandular epithelial. These glandular epithelials are involved in secreting various substances. Functions of columnar now. Columnar epithelial absorbs and secretes materials in small intestine, that is also involved in production of mucus and for mechanical support. Whereas ciliated epithelial help in movement of substances in nasal tract or respiratory tract for the mucus, and it is also helpful in movement of ova or egg in oviducts, which is one part of female reproductive system. In next video about the another kind of animal tissue. Thanks.